Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new here, I'm Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. If you're here over on YouTube, make sure you subscribe, and if you're on Facebook, make sure you do follow. I have a lot of content to put out for you guys to help you make money online as well. Today though is just an unboxing video. It's actually going to be a fun one though because it's not my normal thread up videos. If you can see, I've been going through thread up boxes, so here's the aftermath of some of them. I still have quite a bit of thread up to get through, but in the meantime I finally got these goodies in, and they're all new with tags. They're supposed to be like Nordstrom and Nordstrom rack items. I think it's called like a bronze or a silver mystery box, and I got it from New Without Tag Outlet. If you do sign up or purchase from them, use code Thrifty on a Dime. It just lets them know that you found them through me, and it gives me credit for sharing that with you. And you can also support my channel by sending stars to me. So if you appreciate any of the information that I give or any of the sites that I share with you guys on how to make money and stuff, you definitely can send stars over here on Facebook as well to show your appreciation. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, because that alone helps me, and I really truly appreciate you helping me grow. So without further ado, oh yeah, and as far as pricing, off the top of my head, I just started this video like, they're probably gonna want to know how much I paid. So I think if I didn't already put it in, I'm gonna put it in right here, how much I paid, and then it's supposed to be 50 items. So I will count at the end just to make sure it is 50. I'll go kind of quick, but if you want to purchase anything before I list it, just let me know and I'll definitely make a great deal for you. $10 for anything over a pound and $6 for anything under a pound. Just add $2 for each additional item. And here we go. After all of that talking, you're probably like, oh my gosh, are you ever going to show items? Yes, I promise I am. All right, so this one is Bella. And it is new with tags, like I mentioned. What size is this one? This one is an extra large. Laundry by Shelly Siegel. What size are we? Large. Just a lightweight tank. Yeah, like I said, Nordstrom rack. So what size are we? Size small. Just a cute off the shoulder top, kind of 3/4 length sleeves. It is like a navy blue. Gibson look, size small. Wow, I'm honestly impressed so far. I was thinking that the new tags would be like super cheap, but yeah, even at the regular price it was like 30 bucks at Nordstrom. So, and all I do, if you're wondering, you're like, well, it says the clearance price. You know, just because it has a clearance price doesn't mean you can't get those off. So honestly, since it has 2 tags, just to save me time, I would just remove this one. But if not, I would just keep the new tags of this one. Because it really doesn't matter what it was on sale for. People are going to pay what they want to pay for the item. And I always give good deals. So yeah, don't worry about what the clearance price was. These are small and they're lightweight. They have no lining to them. So I'm assuming these are probably more like a house one probably. Alright, what is this? I think that's Gillette Go Lab X. It has a carry me pocket, but this is like a pewter purple. It's really pretty. Size small, kind of biker shorts. Well, the big sizes were at the beginning. I'm hoping there's going to be some bigger ones here come soon. Oh, yeah, size large, a Lodi. It's just like a halter handkerchief dress. It's really cute. And if you ever need to see pictures or anything like that, just message me. Definitely try to screenshot me too, because I like do so many videos. If you're like, that pink shirt, I'm like, okay, which pink shirt? So yeah, just try to screenshot the items. That'll help me out tremendously. All right, this is a BP. And that one is extra large. I don't know if I said the size. Size small, Como Vintage. This is definitely an oversized small, I would say. BP extra small. Semi-crop sweater. Size small BP. I figured a lot of BP would be in this box, which is fine. I mean, I can't remember the price I paid, but I'm pretty sure I paid to where it was only like $2 or $3 per item, hopefully, which is a really good deal, honestly. Size medium. it's not going to be hard for me to sell a couple and then sell the rest to like Plato's Closet or something. Oh my gosh, these are cute. Size medium. I wonder if they'll fit. Alright, we got Sophie Rue. This is adorable. What's on a logo? It's an extra small, but it kind of looks like a big extra small. What do you think? Okay, yeah, that's not fitting. Okay, yeah, so it is an extra small, but maybe it'll fit you, just not me. Alright, size medium, so another one of those. I don't mind getting multiples. I think getting multiples makes it so much easier because you just have to list quantity of each one, take pictures of one item, so bam, there you go. Alright, these are a size 27. BP size medium. Billabong size small. I did not know Billabong was a Nordstrom rack item. This one's gonna be mine though. Let's put that over there. That one's for sure mine. I like that. It's cute. And that's the great thing about these boxes is you know, when I lose weight after having my baby, I don't have to worry about sizing down, you know. We got different sizes in these boxes, so I'll find something. Alright, so this is like a terry cloth, semi-crop, well not semi, this is definitely crop, oversized top there. What size? This one's cute. I don't know what size it is. It doesn't say a size on the tag. That's what the tag looks like. I was just making sure. You guys are probably like, the size is right there. It definitely looks like a larger size, probably like a large or an extra large. Again, I can get you measurements. Small, Billabong. Oh, awesome. There's some jeans in this box. All right. BP size 28. Okay, I like these. Again, maybe I'll try those ones on. I don't know because there's no stretch to them though if they're gonna fit me. A size 28 too, so again, cute. This is the new kind of like style. The mom jeans are back from like the 90s and the early 2000s, you know. Alright, Belladini, I think. What, size medium? This is a cute purple. I like it. Another BP item, and it's a size 27. These are cute. I don't think those will fit, so I don't even think I'm gonna waste my time trying them on. Abound size medium. Abound size extra large. This is a cute, super soft like top. Waffle knit. BP 2X. Oh, that is a cute dress. Or is it a romper? Let me just make sure. I think it's a dress. Yeah, it's a dress. Another Abound piece. Size medium this time. Okay, maybe I'll try that one on. Let's see. Abound 3X. Cute gray. Heather gray. Open edit size large. This gives me maternity shirt vibes just because of the cinching on the side. That's cute. Cute white shirt. Yeah, I'd say this is a good box. I mean, it's not going to be like, oh my gosh, I'm so rich. But these are some great items. I think it would be worth it if you're just starting out in the resale. Oh, okay. Madewell extra, extra small. If you're starting out in the reselling game. Okay, I think I'll keep this one too. It's like an oversized extra small. A Lodi size large. Those are adorable. What do we got here? AFRM. I've never heard of that one. AFRM times Nordstrom. Yeah, I've never heard of that brand. Size medium though, it's a cute dress. Okay, so this is a bodysuit. Topshop size large. I don't No, I guess it's got a cutout on the side. Yeah, I don't know how that bodysuit would go. But it is a bodysuit. Size large. Alright, what is this one? Me Moi. And it's a size medium large. Velour pant. Alright, another Billabong size small. I wish all these pants were just like a medium, even a large would be awesome, but small is gonna be too small. Alright, what is this? BP 3X. Oh my goodness, these pants are awesome. Do you guys see the glitter? The shiny, and there's another one. Is it a top or is it another one? Oh, it's a top, so it's a whole outfit. I love this top. It crisscrosses in the front. This is so beautiful. I hope somebody snags that from me before I list it because I want to see it on y'all. Melrose and Market, extra small. That's cute. A Lodi size medium. It's kind of like a shift dress. It's stretchy, shiny and stretchy. This is a BP 2X. That's a really cute dress. Cute summer dress. Alright, a Lodi size large. So lots of Lodi and lots of BP in this. But at least they are bigger sizes. That makes me happy. A Pana size small. So this is another one that's gonna be mine. I love a Pana workout gear. It's so soft. Alright, BP size 1X. So yeah, like I said, as long as it's like on trend, like this is like the mom or baggy sweater, you know, that can go with high-waisted jeans. BP 2X. Ribbed kind of shirt. You guys, you can bundle and save a ton of money. Abound size medium. This is cute. We're getting to the bottom finally. Alright, I'm guessing, okay, yeah, Abound size large. This is a nice dress. It cuts out right here in the center, so it ties around here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, super cute. Size large. Open edit. Size small. So open edit, size small. It's got like the boat neck, kind of square boat neck look there. It's hard to see the black. I don't know how to pronounce this, so we'll just show you guys. And it's a size small. It's a cute top. I like the wine burgundy color. This is a Lulu's piece. So this is a decent one. It's just too bad that it's a bodysuit instead of like a dress. The dresses do decent for me, but I don't know about a bodysuit. What size was it? Size large. Yeah, I'll try it on, but I don't know if that's gonna fit. That's cute. I like a good bodysuit. Size small. Yeah, that one is definitely not fitting. But it is a size small, so if one of y'all can fit it, there you go. Oops. This one is super soft. It's a Reebok size large pullover. Again, every single item in here was new with tags, guys, so that's awesome. This is the company that I actually bought my palettes from, so I was like, well, they're on sale. This could be a good deal. Melrose and Market size small, and it's like a army green color. I like this. It's super soft. All right, well, that was everything. Let me count real quick, and I'll be right back to make sure there's 50. Alright guys, I'm back. So it ended up being 53 items actually, so that was an awesome deal. And as always, if you guys appreciate these unboxings, you can send stars, you can just watch my videos, share my videos, like it. It all helps me, and I appreciate you guys so much for letting me help other people by helping me share my videos. So I appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you want to buy anything, just let me know, and stay tuned because there's a ton of more unboxings to come.